Welcome to another episode of Crypto Minder, guys. Today we'll be analyzing what is happening regarding the Bitcoin. Something scary we are watching in the charts, bad or good. This is what we see right now, guys, and we are going to be explaining further on what we believe regarding that. Now, what I wanted to say, guys, is that if you really like and you appreciate this very nice content we are sharing, I call you to just go smash this like button for all the notifications and of course get this very nice fresh content we are sharing with you guys every time. We are trying to do our best. Also, the fact that this has nothing to do with what we are actually see with the psychological side, but we also try to give a very nice scientific approach so we can get this amazing content and share it with you, be so precise every time, and we are trying to make insane gains together. Of course, this is not a financial advice, but it's a very nice, entertaining, but also educational content. Let's go directly to the chart to find out what we have right there. Very often we say, show me the chart to tell you the news. So this is what is happening in this chart right now, guys. So if we would like to see a kind of confirmation and leg towards the upper side, this is something that we should see by tomorrow. Otherwise, things are not looking so good for Bitcoin. I'm going to be explaining why I'm saying that. So most of the times when you see a momentum waves here on the market cipher, what you would like to expect is maybe another leg towards the downside, so we can see a kind of double confirmation where this level should be a little bit higher. So what should we see right now on the very nice that we have right here, RSI? This is not looking good because we don't see any kind of double bottom playing right here, so we can come and break all of these bearish divergence that we have seen from the past weeks. So all of these things are not looking so good, and why I'm saying that is because, guys, if you are turning down to the 3-day chart and the 5-day chart, then you realize that this has a long way to go towards the downside. Right now things are not looking so bullish right here. So why I'm saying that, most of the times when you are coming to check out this chart, this type of structure, okay, and you are expecting leg towards the upper side or to the downside, what you should see is to not confirm the 0.618 level. So the 0.618 level is right here and it's confirming perfectly, okay, by the price action we had the past days for once more towards the side. This is something I'm telling you guys, this is not looking great because this is going all the way towards the downside. If this is a real confirmation, this is not what I believe, but this is what the chart says at this point. This is what the chart has been showing. Also, if you were about to take this measurement price target, okay, and if you were about to also find out the 0.618 was a confirmation right here. So this is why we saw a pump towards the upper side, because I took it from the opposite side, and that's why I'm explaining this is happening non-stop in the charts, because this is very nicely and generally the Fib levels, the Fibonacci levels, what they are showing at this point, and it's very simple to understand. Now you are telling me that maybe I'm explaining myself wrong and I'm saying that this is going to dump all the way tomorrow to the downside. Guys, what I wanted to say is that be prepared, because if a black swan event is about to happen, this black swan event is going to happen very soon, and maybe this week. Doesn't mean that black swan event will happen, but it's very close in case this is the deal. That's my point. So what we would like to see is for sure a confirmation, so we can see some kind of relief, because everything is breaking towards the downside, and this is not for sure any kind of bullish trajectory right now, any kind of bullish price action towards the upper side. So please rethink of what the actions and what the charts are saying, because bad or good, the chart is here to tell you the truth, and it's the only thing that technically can tell you the truth right now. So even if we would like to see this recovering right here, it should surpass this resistance line and come over Okay, so we can see some break towards the upper side, and of course see some kind of like breaking to also the second resistance line and recovering very soon. So I hope that this was a kind of a reversal pattern, and we will see further price action towards the upper side, but there is no any kind of signals right now. Just the fact that this could just bottom for a while and then come recover, okay, kind of, and just give some hope to people and then retrace towards the downside. So it's not that the dump will happen tomorrow, but it can happen the day after or within like 2 weeks. So are we in a bear market where the signal is showing bearish since we broke for once more the 0.618 daily? So this is not looking great from this perspective for any kind of reason. And if you guys appreciate the fact that we are sharing the truth with you, please go smash this like button, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell button to get all these notifications and everything that we are sharing every time from the Crypto Miner or the Crypto Miner Academy. So the whole deal right now is this going to recover finally? See, that's why we are going to further to the downside to find some better news right here. So what we see is another leg towards the downside. Of course, what we saw today on a Sunday, I would like to see a kind of recovery to the approximately 39,900 so we can cover the gap that the CMEs are creating by tomorrow. So this would be a nice recovery, maybe a nice long trade that you could take right here, but the big macro is not looking so good, and I'm repeating myself at this point. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you appreciate this content, don't forget, just smash the like button, share it with your friends. See you in the next one of Crypto Miner. Bye bye.